A very different feel to working with this particular DJ. Yeah, teaching a robot to DJ has been crazy. It's made me think about what I do as a DJ and really have to break it down to very precise movements. The biggest challenge really was to try and teach robot coders rhythm, because it's not what they do. You know, they're amazing at programming, and I couldn't understand.
What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of Conversations with Prime, episode 2. In this episode, we'll be talking about AI. And the name of the topic is, will the AI replace the DJ? These are my opinions. These are my thoughts. Nothing is facts. Let's have a conversation. You know, that video was filmed years ago. This would have been a laughing matter to people. They wouldn't think that this could be possible. And I want to talk about how much AI is involved with DJing now. You know, they have a mixer that can mimic scratches. It could do a flare scratch, it could do a stab, it could do a forward, it could do a one click, a two click. It's really crazy, and this is AI doing this. So you understand how the AI works. It's only learning off of us, basically. You know, because how would it be able to do that scratch? How would it be able to do a flare? Even though it sounds kind of cheesy when you hear it, but it's being done. So that means it's gonna get better. Now you have these programs out here now that can mix the music. Meaning, like, you could put a whole playlist on 20, 30 songs and it can blend in. So you see these little things happening, and in some places, like in San Francisco, they had a DJ, like DJ a party, basically a robot. I personally think that the AI will replace the DJ one day. Why? Because I look at other things in the world that doesn't even exist no more. So why wouldn't AI take over DJing? A lot of people don't really care whether you could scratch or mix or whatever. They just want to hear the music, believe it or not. And that's true. This is a fact. You have people that just want to hear the music. They don't care about none of that extra stuff. Search and put in AI DJs or robot DJs, and you'll be surprised what comes up. Now, a lot of people will say this, and I agree on it. For now, you're gonna say like the AI can't read the crowd, and they can't engage with the crowd how we can. Talking to the crowd, you know, going along with the music, hyping people up. Maybe it's not there yet, but I bet they're working on that. There's a lot of things that matter to us that don't matter to other people. Some people don't care if you blend a song in or if you scratch on a song. They just want to hear it. Just like they had jukeboxes. Think about it, they had jukeboxes. What you do, you put the money in there, you play the song you want to hear. We are closer to AI being a part of our life more than anything. It's a part of our life now. Just look at the things that we no longer use: DVD players, Walkmans. Or what if they come out with a feature, or they probably got it in the works, that it mimics the way you DJ, it mimics your style, and then you could put a playlist out and it's your style. Who knows like what they're doing, you know? And it's like, you see how the DJ game changed so much. You see how it changed. You can't tell me that it didn't. How many people are really carrying crates to a party? 5, 6 crates to a party. So you see how things are changing, and it's like, it's just something that I really want to bring up on this episode with Conversations with Prime. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Conversations with Prime will air every Tuesday. Please leave all your comments in the comment section, whatever you feel. I'm not saying I'm 100% right. I'm just talking. This is what I feel. I really feel that AI will replace the DJ one day. Anyway, this is Conversation with Prime. I'm DJ Prime, and I'm signing off. Peace.